Guys, have you ever faced this problem when you're about to go somewhere out and not finding the right pair of shoes just because of mismanagement of the shoes? If yes, then I have a very nice solution for this problem. I'm Hermaine and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a shoe rack which can solve your problem. It is a very good quality, a very quick installation and a very spacious one. Very easy to move, assemble, disassemble, very expandable, and you can store up to 35 pairs. Very good in length and width as well. So guys, I recently ordered this from Noon. It cost me around 206 reals. Let's start with the unboxing. It is coming in this kind of package. It reached me without any damage. I ordered this from Noon Express delivery, so it reached me within 2 days. This is how it looks like from inside. All the things like racks and the clips and everything are impounded, and it's very compact. The good part about these online shopping materials are like they will give you a complete guide with the numbers, packaging, then how to install. So you don't need any carpenter or any third party involved. You can install it within 10 to 15 minutes on your own, which really helped me. Like which size will go with what. They have the number of panels, how many panels for each, what are their sizings. So it is very easy for me to judge that which panel would go with what panel, what are the sizes, the buttons, the clips, everything is detailedly mentioned. So you don't need to worry or you don't need to involve any third person in it. You can do it by your own. So these are the other parts which they have shipped along with the panels, like a small hammer, a hanging gear, and the other clips which is bounding. So guys, I have followed the step-by-step process which is mentioned in this guide, along with the numbers, panels, etc. So this is how I build this. I was just following the instructions on the guide and I started with the bottom part. So by here I have completed the bottom part of the frame of my shoe rack. Like this, you need to attach all the buttons facing to each other. So the bottom part of the shoe rack is ready now. Now I have to attach the inners where I need to put my shoes on. So till here, the bottom part of my shoe rack is almost ready. So let's start with the second story of my shoe rack. So till here, the assembling part of all the panels are almost completed. Now I just attach the roof of it and then the doors. So guys, here the doors are also fitted in. One by one I just fit all the doors. And this is it. This is how my shoe racks look like. The doors are little transparent, which is very easy that you can find out your shoes. And this is the side hanging. You can put your keys and your small belongings straight. So this is it guys. You can see how beautiful this shoe rack looks like. It's very spacious. You can put 2 pair of shoes in each panel of the rack. The length and width is also very nice. You can easily put your high heel shoes, your low heel shoes, and even the bottom pairs in one rack. I hope guys you like this shoe rack, and if you are also facing the same problem of shoe management, this is a must for you. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.